Hi friends, this is Gwen from Gwen the Trash Witch. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Tonight I'm bringing you day 4 of Junk Journal July 2024. This is hosted by Meg Journals and Give Messy Art. So for day 4, the prompt was labels. And I did not make a process video on this because I spent a lot of the day just sort of playing with different ideas and working with them on a page. And yeah, this one was a little tougher for me, especially trying to relate it to Disney. So I'll show you what I came up with. I went with the labels of the characters in the Disney movies. So we always label the princess and the prince, or we might have the hero or the shero. Of course, there's always the villain. They're very, very popular, so we have our villains there. There's always a sidekick. Those are usually some of my favorite characters. So I went with labeling the characters in the Disney movies. I did find some really nice Google images to print out. So we have some princesses there and some princes, and I liked the heroes and the sheroes and the villains. I mean, they really do a good job at labeling their characters. A lot of merchandising goes into the labeling of their characters. So villains are very popular, villain t-shirts, all kinds of merchandise featuring the villains. And I think the sidekicks are pretty popular as well. Of course, there's my Miko right there. He's one of my personal favorites, of course. Being a true trash panda, I can appreciate him. So this is what I did for day 4 for labels. And like I said, it took me a little while. I wasn't really sure. I played around with labels in Disney clothing, and that was kind of a fun idea, but this is what I went with, the labels of the different character types in the movies. So thank you so much, friends, for coming and looking at day 4. I appreciate you very, very much taking the time out of your busy days. I know we're all so busy, but I just really appreciate you coming. And if you haven't subscribed, if you would like to subscribe, that would be really great to join my little wonderful group of crafty friends that we have here. Such a kind and supportive group. And if you wouldn't mind giving me a like on your way out, that would be great as well. So thank you so much, friends. Have a great night. I know I'm staying home, as you know, taking care of the dogs especially. If you have pups, please be mindful of them once the fireworks start. I know a lot of dogs have a hard time with those loud noises. So take care of your little guys. Make sure that they feel safe and they don't, bolt from your house and as they might get scared with the loud noises. So, okay, that's all for tonight, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy 4th of July. Bye-bye.